Hey, welcome back to my channel. I was waiting for you. I know you're looking for the perfect gift for the holiday season, and I have the perfect list for you. These toys are highly engaging, fun, and educational. Imagine your child's excitement as they explore, learn, and create with these innovative toys, from building large structures to cities or to even building their own construction crew. Let's explore how you can make learning and adventure and inspire the next generation of innovators. A quick note, if you'd like to shop any of your favorite ones, then check out the YouTube shopping tab under this video as well as the description box for some of the product links. Let's get started. The first toy on my list are these colorful bright constructors. They are lightweight and easy to build. Children can build a variety of structures such as houses, vehicles, robots, etc. It not only engages but also stimulates their cognitive development. It gives them hands-on learning experience and improve their hand-eye coordination. Kids develop problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and spatial awareness as they build and observe different structures. It can be a good gift for children that will contribute in boosting their imagination and creativity. Next up on my list are these colorful, versatile discs. There are endless building possibilities with this. It's a good screen-free activity for kids that not only engage their mind but also learn through trial and error. These building blocks are easy to put together. These are good for developing hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Build a fascinating ice castle with these magnetic blocks. These magnetic blocks are lightweight and easy to hold. There are 100 magnetic cubes in the pack. These building blocks are highly engaging and keep kids busy for hours. I really liked the print and color. It can easily transport you to the winter wonderland. We love these blocks, so your kids will. With these versatile building blocks, children can construct a wide array of imaginative structures. These blocks not only keep kids focused and engaged but also promote learning through hands-on experiences. The open-ended play encourages children to unleash their imagination and creativity. Give your child the gift of endless possibilities with these fantastic building bricks. Next up on my list are these vibrant and versatile interconnectable blocks that offer endless opportunities to construct a wide range of imaginative structures. Not only do they provide hours of entertainment but also boost critical thinking, enhance problem-solving abilities, and develop spatial skills. These building blocks are good to have in your child's collection. Wow, what a journey through the best STEM gifts for kids. Each gift that we discuss has power to turn curiosity into discovery. To bring one of the amazing gifts into your home, simply follow the link to purchase. Check out the YouTube shopping tab under this video as well as the description box below. If you could choose any one of the STEM gift as a kid, what would it be? Share your thoughts in the comments as your nostalgia can inspire someone else. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for the more exciting content like this. See you soon.